Hello, this is FHO1000 OTDR. OTDR function, fiber link map function, stable leader source, power meter, and VFO, and RJ45 sequence test, and the file storage, and the machine setup. The top interface, OTDR interface, and the leader source interface. This is the power meter port, this is the VFO port, and this is the SD card. And this RJ45 port is for the upgrade in production line. And our bottom interface, Type-C, charger, and data upload. And here is the RJ45 port, and this is the RJ45 remote module. We can take it out and connect fiber to do the RJ45 sequence test. Connect this port and this port. Okay, first one is the function of OTDR. Press OK to enter the OTDR function and enter the setup interface. And here we can select the test operation, auto mode or the manual mode. Now the manual mode. In manual mode, you need to select test distance and pulse width by manually. If you choose the auto mode, the test distance and the pulse width is auto configured. So now we select auto mode, and the wavelength is 1310 or 1550. You can select. And the test mode, we select average mode. Average mode. And test time is maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds. Both is okay. And IOR, keep it default. Do not to change. And end threshold and resolution. Normal resolution and high resolution. The high resolution means there are more sampling points. And in the More button, in here we can set the pass or fail threshold for the event. If the loss is beyond the threshold setting, it will show fail. Now we do the test. First, we can use the cleaner to cleaning the OTDR port, like this. One click. And of course, the fiber cable also do the cleaning. Then insert to the OTDR port. Press this button to do the test, average test. Press this button to zoom out. Here we can see the test result. The above is the OTDR trace part, and the bottom is the OTDR event list. Press this button, and press this button to move the cursor A and cursor B. Now it's cursor B, and here is the cursor A. We can check the details between the cursor A and the cursor B. And here is the event loss of these fiber connectors in the middle. And here is the total length, 4.9 kilometers. 4.9 kilometers, because there are two fiber spools. The total length is around 5 kilometers here. And this is the ELE mode. ELE mode just show you the total distance. There is no trace, only the this is the ELE mode. And back to the trace. and press file to check the file storage. This is the file we just test. It's OR file. If we want to upload the test file to the computer to make the reports, we can connect a Type-C cable to the computer and upload the test data. Okay, this is the OTDR function. And next one is the FHO. FHO functions is used to find the breaking point of the fiber and to find the fiber. Just press the on button. Now the VFO is working. Oh, the VFO is this port. This is the VFO functions. And we can change the output mode, flash mode. Off. And also here is some stable data source functions. It supports two wavelengths, 1550 and the 1310. It shares the OTDR test ports, the stable data source. And the next is the power meter. The power meter function. It supports 1310 wavelengths, 1490 and 1550, 1625 and 1650 and 850 and 1300. And this is the FHO1000 sequence test. We can use the remote module of this and this FHO1000 internet port to do the FHO1000 sequence test. And here is the fiber link map functions. We can do the test again. In this mode, do not to set anything. Just select the wavelengths, 1550 or 1310. And we can do the test. The test result is displayed as the icons, not the OTDR trace. So it will be more simple and more convenient for the new users. Okay, we can check the test result is the first is start point, and in the middle is the connector, and at the last fiber end, and the total length is 4.9 kilometers, and the total loss is 1.2 dB. Okay, this is the introduction of our OTDR.